Hello everyone, my name is Maria Alejandra Vega, and today we're going to talk about the 4 keys that the Harvard negotiation model show us to use in negotiation. Separate the people from the problem. Focus on interest, not positions. Generate options for mutual gain. Use objective criteria. These principles help us to understand the Harvard negotiation model, which we want to show you part of the Abanico company's problem, because the company is facing a critical situation with the importation of 1,000 fans to Colombia. The purchasing manager is tasked with sourcing the product while balancing quality, price, and delivery time. Despite the constraints imposed by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the commercial manager, logistic manager, and salesmen are all involved in this project, and their concerns, pressures, and communication styles create a highly complex environment. Let's see what happened. Good morning, everyone. Thanks for taking the time to meet today. We have a lot to discuss regarding the fan importation project. As you know, the timeline is tight. I think it's important that we align our goals, concerns, and how we can best collaborate to meet the expectations of the company. Let's make sure we all have this meeting with clarity on what needs to be done and how we can help each other successfully. I would like to start by hearing from each of you about your current priorities and challenges. I'm under a lot of pressure from our customers. They expect the fans on time, no exceptions. If we miss this deadline, it will affect our sales numbers and definitely my credibility. The fans must be in Colombia and ready for delivery within the next 3 months. No excuses. We need your commitment to make this happen. I understand the urgency, and I agree that meeting customers' expectation is a priority. However, it's important that we don't lose sight of the process. We need to ensure we're balancing quality, cost, and delivery time, especially given the impact of ongoing pandemic. I will commit to find the best suppliers, but I need us to be realistic about what's achievable in terms of logistics and delivery time. Let's discuss how we can make sure everything aligns. I am concerned that the time phrases are too short for nationalization and delivery. The customs process, especially with the current pandemic restrictions, can be unpredictable. If we are too aggressive, we risk delays that could hurt the entire chain. I really don't want to be in a situation where we can't meet our commitments. I hear you, and your concerns are valid. We need to be honest with our customers and suppliers about potential delays. I will work with you to create a buffer for customs and delivery. Let's also make sure we have contingency plan in case there are any unexpected things happening in our process. You don't understand, but if these fans don't arrive on time, I lose my commission and I will have to cancel my trip, and I have already invested money on this. I can't afford for this to fall through. Everyone needs to step up and make this happen. I know you're under a lot of pressure, and it's your situation a lot of stressful. Your commission is important, and I want to help you to achieve your goals. But let's focus on the problem right now, the fans. We all need to contribute our expertise and work together. If we communicate effectively and set realistic expectations, I'm confident we can find a solution that works for everyone. Let's focus on what we can control right now. I still think we need to expedite things. The product has to be in the country on time, and I don't want to hear any more delays or excuses from anybody. I agree with the need for expedience, but we also need to clear on what's feasible. Let's use the facts to guide us, based on the current logistics and supply chain data. Here is what's realistic. We have options for expedite shipping, but it will come at a cost. We can also work with suppliers who have faster production times, but again, that could affect our cost. I will need to input on balancing this factor to meet the delivery window. What if we adjust the shipping method? Can we still meet the delivery deadlines? I'm worried about the cost and what it might do to our budget. We can look at more expensive shipping options, but I will need your help to see how this is gonna affect our budget. I also will work with the suppliers to negotiate faster production time. The goal is balance or urgency with the budget and just put it together. I will coordinate options and we can discuss which ones work best. Okay, I get it, but we need to make sure the customers are happy and the fans are delivered on time. I don't want to be in position where I promise something and I cannot deliver on time. Exactly, we all on the same team here. We will work through the timeline, cost, and production options, and then we will communicate clearly with the customers about any potential delays. We will also keep them updated every step of the way so no one feels left in the dark. I will handle negotiation with the suppliers and I will rely on our expertise in logistics to keep things on track. Does that sound like a plan? Yes, that works. We need clear milestones and I need to be informed regularly. That makes sense. Let's move forward with the backup plans for delivery and negotiation, just in case. Alright, I'm in. Let's make it happen. We'll meet again next week for an update. Thanks everyone for your input. We're a team and by working together, I know we will find the right solution for the company and our customers. Thank you so much. Through the use of assertive communication, the purchasing manager manages to address the concerns of each stakeholder while maintaining focus on the problem, not personal position. By using active listening, acknowledging interest, and proposing objective solutions, the purchasing manager helps move the group towards a collaborative and solution-oriented approach. Each participant feels heard and shared understanding is achieved. The harbor negotiation model is employed by focusing on mutual gain in a win-win, balancing cost, quality, and delivery time, and using objective criteria. Data on shipping option, supplier production times to guide decision. Everyone leaves the meeting with a clear expectation and a plan for moving forward.